So this old man I met in Fayetteville, Arkansas, gave me some of the best advice about business that I have used up to this day. And this man actually owned a nice percentage of Fayetteville, Arkansas real estate. And he told me this. He said, son, never ask for permission, because people you're asking for permission from isn't on what you own. They're working for someone. You're being a boss. They don't even understand the concept of what you're doing. So it's like, it's going to happen where, oh, I don't know, I'm about to get ready to get off, so I might not do this numbers right now, or I might not put this in, because they don't get it. He said, so what you got to do, family, you have to ask for forgiveness. Do what you got to do, no matter what it is. And if something happened and you so happen to step on somebody's toes or cross someone wrong, just say, forgive me, my bad, I didn't mean that. And if it's a fee or something you got to pay, go on and pay it and keep it moving. But you accomplish what you had to accomplish without waiting on someone to co-sign it. Hog on.